Otherton traffic, Golf Charlie Echo Whiskey Romeo's lining up 07.
Entered runway 07. Entered runway 07. Controlled airspace 3,500 feet above.
Viewpoint +6, QNH 1027. Acknowledge receipt of information Kilo and advise aircraft type on first contact. Birmingham information Kilo, time 1050 hours, runway news 15, transition level, flight level 7.
Halfpenny Green, good afternoon, Golf Charlie Echo Whiskey Romeo, radio check.
Golf Charlie Echo Whiskey Romeo, Halfpenny Green radio, readability 5.
Read you 5 also, thank you.
Aircraft ahead, 1 o'clock, 1.5 miles, 100 feet above, same heading.
Recovery with Charlie. Uniform forecast, we just changed Golf there, join runway 06 right hand, QFE 1016, second clearance. 061016, uniform 14 to join PSL. Reply IQ with intentions.
Terrain 4 miles ahead. Terrain 6 miles ahead.
Golf Papa, Oscar Papa Yankee, have radio check please.
Papa Yankee, this is Golf Whiskey Romeo, read your 5s.
Whiskey Romeo, Golf Papa Yankee, reading you 5.
Otherton traffic, Golf Charlie Echo Whiskey Romeo is 5 miles to the southwest inbound.
Aircraft ahead, 1 o'clock, 2.5 miles, 300 feet below, reciprocal heading. Aircraft ahead, 12 o'clock, 1 mile, 200 feet above, passing right to left.
Otherton traffic, Golf Whiskey Romeo's joining overhead 07.
Aircraft right, 2 o'clock, 2.5 miles, 1900 feet above.